Click, scroll, sigh. We all do it, don't we? Lying in bed, letting our thoughts run wild as we mindlessly scroll across negative news and social media content on our cell phones. This habit, known as doom scrolling, pulls us deeper into the internet, intent on finding answers, solutions, or distractions that weigh on our mental well-being. More often than not, we find ourselves immersed in an abyss of negativity, bathing in bad news and distressing content. But have you ever stopped to question the impact of this habit on your mental health? The term doom scrolling describes this exact pattern of digital consumption, continuously trawling through negative information, seemingly addicted to heart-wrenching news and gloomy content. A team of researchers from University College London, UCL, set out to investigate. The results of their exploratory study paint a rather disconcerting picture. It appeared that people with poor mental health not only gravitated toward negative content online, but this habit seemed to amplify their depressive symptoms. The UCL team assessed the mental health of over 1,000 participants who were then asked to browse the internet for 30 minutes. A subsequent mental health evaluation and examination of their search history revealed a stark pattern. Those with the lowest mental health scores sought out the most substantial amount of websites with negative themes. It's a two-way street. Our insatiable appetite for distressing news isn't merely a quirky habit, it has serious implications for public health. This subject is particularly relevant as digital consumption has skyrocketed more than ever. So, the next time you find yourself doomscrolling, remember this. Your mental health is worth far more than any viral tweet, incendiary post, or alarming news article.